Please let me go!
Let the work of government begin.
Diplomatic relations with a new species.
And these are my friends.
Take it!
Run for your life!
Fire!
I said, run!
Air Force One has landed on British soil.
Mr. President, sir.
Now on unit has control of this operation.
But what this country really needs, right now, is a doctor. In fact, I'd go so far as to say that what this country really needs, right now, is a doctor.
Support, sir.
Military protocol, sir.
EC directive, sir.
Annual budget, sir. Policy recommendations.
I'm so proud of you, Harry.
Bless.
Sir, if you don't mind me asking, I'm sorry, but it's all a bit new. What exactly do you want me to do?
And I looked down upon my new dominion as master of all, and I thought it good. Since I was a child, I looked into the vortex. That's when it chose me. The drumming, the call to war. Can't you hear it?
The Master is Prime Minister of Great Britain.
And these are my friends. They're called the Toclophane.
What?
You gonna tell us who he is?
He's a Time Lord. He's cannibalized the TARDIS. It's a paradox machine.
We meet at last, Doctor.
Stop me! Stop me now!
We can't stop him.
Down you go, kids! Remove 1/10 of the population.
I'm coming back.
And the Earth was no more.
traffic is advised to stay away from Sol 3, also known as Earth. Pilots are warned Sol 3 is now entering terminal extinction. Planet Earth is closed. Planet Earth is closed. Planet Earth is closed.
What